Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Joyce and I am coming to you guys today. We're going to do a wire pyramid earring. Okay, here are the items that you will need for this DIY. You're going to need your wire cutters, your round nose pliers. You're going to need to cut at least 12 inches of 12 gauge wire. It does not, aluminum wire. It does not matter what type of wire. It doesn't have to be gold. It doesn't have to be copper. It doesn't have to be whatever wire you have. As long as it's 12 gauge, you can make these earrings. Okay. You are also going to need a piece of 20 gauge wire. Okay. So you're going to need a 12 inches of 12 gauge wire, and you're going to need, I'm going to say maybe about 7, maybe no, not 7, about 5, 6 inches of 20 gauge wire, and your fish hook. And we're getting ready to get started. Okay guys, so the very first thing that we are going to do with our wire is we're going to make a loop. Going to make a loop like this. Now, this is going to be a technique that I am showing you guys. It's real simple. It's real easy. It's not hard at all, okay? All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to come up. We're going to give ourselves maybe a little inch or two in between. And we're just going to bend this. You're going to have it turned. It's going to be face down. And you're going to bend it like this. Okay? This is what you're going to do. Now, when you bend it, guys, you want to make sure that it's flat. You want to try to get it as close to this as possible. Okay? That's all we're going to be doing. Now, the more we bend it, the bigger it is going to grow. Now, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to do the same thing again. And you see it growing? Now, we're going to do it again. And it's still growing. Now, I believe I do this about 4 times. Actually, I think 4 or 5 times. Now, let me show you so you can really get a really good understanding. What you do is you take your round nose pliers, and when you come up and pinch it, that's going to allow you to make it longer. Okay, that's all the secret that is. So I have 1, 2, 3, and I think we need one more. Okay, and then this is what you're going to have, guys. You want to make sure that it's real, everything is real close together. And then we're just going to take this piece right here and we're going to roll it down. Now this is our pyramid. Okay. Then we're just going to roll it. Keep rolling it. And keep rolling it. And we want to try to get into the center of it. Right, yeah. Yeah, we want to keep going until we get into the center. So I'm going to take it up just a tad bit more. And there we have it. And it's in the center. So that's the start of our pyramid. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 20 gauge wire and we're going to make a loop. Just like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. And we're going to attach this to this piece of the earring. Push that through like that. And then we're going to come up to the top And we're going to wrap this around a couple of times. And we're going to cut the excess wire off. So this is what you're going to have, guys. And we're just going to snip this wire off like that. Squeeze that in. And then we're going to take this piece right here and we're going to put this on like that. And then we are going to put our fingers underneath. We want to try to keep this part, just see how straight this is. That's how we want to keep it, just like that. We're going to make a loop, going to the side, bring that up a tad bit. You want to give it, wait a minute, give it a little indentation. Push that up, bring that up like that. Just want to show you guys. Okay, guys, so my phone cut off on me. So we put that on. We came up here, and we're just going to go ahead and get this all connected. Okay. And then last but not least, we're going to take our wire cutters and snip this off. Squeeze that in a tad bit. And here is our earring. And then we're just going to add our fish hook on. And this will be all done. And you have yourself a nice pair of pyramid earrings. I think that these are really, really cute, guys. You don't necessarily, you'll be surprised at the different types of things and shapes that you can come up with wire. You just have to constantly work with it and you'll be amazed. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in for this DIY. You guys have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings. See ya.